So I've been on YouTube for quite a few years now at this point. I think I posted my first YouTube video in 2007, and it was a video of my daughter playing computer. And then I posted several other videos, sometimes trying to argue with people, sometimes just fun family vlog type stuff, vacation footage, these kinds of things. And I would watch some of these channels that were getting really big and getting a following and think, maybe I can do that too. That looks like a lot of fun. I love the video editing process. I love telling a story and putting all of my footage together and making something cool out of it. And I've been doing this for many years, even before YouTube existed. But for so long, even when I had these ideas, these aspirations, I just didn't pull the trigger. Once in a while, I would jokingly say to my wife or even just to myself and post it on YouTube that I wanted to start a vlog. It was a goal that I had. It was kind of an idea that I had in the back of my mind, but I never actually fully pulled the trigger. That is until 2020. Of course, we all know what happened in 2020. Suddenly, we all had so much time on our hands. We were stuck at home. We were forced to think of new things to do. And in the process, I started a vlog. I pulled the trigger. I did what I wanted to do, what I had been putting off for so long. And I'm so glad that I did. The number one thing you need to do to start a YouTube channel is just to start. Of course, we could talk about all the other things that we need to get good at eventually. Making good titles, making good thumbnails, editing a good video, telling a good story. All of these things are important. Some of these things can be delegated to others as you assemble a team, as you progress. But the number one thing that you need to do in order to have a YouTube channel is just to start. But when you start, don't start half-heartedly. Like I said, I actually started several times before I started in 2020, but they were very half-hearted attempts. They were like 4 to 10-second videos. They were videos in which I was announcing my attempt, my desire to start, but I wasn't providing anything of value. As you're starting a YouTube channel, you need to think not just about what you want, but what other people can benefit from. A business is only a business if it helps others as well. No one's gonna give you money just because you want money. No one's gonna watch your YouTube channel just because you want them to watch your YouTube channel. No, you have to provide something of value. You have to think about where your passions, where your skills meet what other people need. And as you think through all that, you also have to think about what's already out there. Are you just gonna be recreating the wheel? How can you fill a space that isn't already being filled in a way that other people will resonate with? What is it that makes you unique? What is it that makes your skill set unique? What is it that other people are gonna say, yeah, I could really benefit from you specifically doing this thing or demonstrating this thing so that I can do it too? In other words, put the you into YouTube. Don't make it just another tube. Don't make it I'm copying everyone else's tube. Make it YouTube. Think about what you can provide, what value you can add, and really pour yourself all into that. And when you think about it like that, how you yourself really do have something to add, it helps you not to put it off. Oh, I don't have to get this perfect. People are gonna be subscribing for what you specifically can add to the table. So don't put it off. Start now because you are the only one who can do it. Hey, if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. I'm just an average guy.